The eyedropper tool in Photoshop, all it does is samples colors from anywhere in an image and adds it to your swatches panel. You can also sample colors outside of the Photoshop program also if you have other windows open. All you do is take out the eyedropper tool, and you can see here my foreground and background colors. Whenever I click on a color, it will change your foreground color to that color, right? And then once you got that color in the foreground, you can also click your swatches panel, and it's going to be right here at the top. So if I were to take this color, you see the black pops up. You can also come in here in the swatches panel and literally just click on whatever color you want, and then it'll change it. It adds it to your foreground and to your swatches, like I said. Also guys, if you look at your info panel, you open it up, you see you got RGB and CMYK values. If you come over here and slide it over the color, you can see it changes, and you can write those down or save those values if you want to use that color in a different program or something. You'll have the RGB or the CMYK values. Up here on the top options, obviously you got your tool presets. You got your sample size. I usually just use 3x3 average. You can also use point sample. That just takes whatever individual pixel, but the 3x3 average I found works better most of the time. Then you got the sample mode. You can sample current layer, current and below, all layers. You can sample all the layers with no adjustments, and you can sample current and below with no adjustments. So show sampling ring, all this is if you click and drag, you'll see the sampling ring. It just shows what colors, right? If you slide over this color, it just shows it. And that's about it for the eyedropper tool, guys. It's a pretty simple one to use. If you got any comments, questions, make sure to put them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.